In this video we are going to learn how to represent rational numbers on the number line and then standard form of the rational numbers. Let us see how to represent the rational numbers on the number line. Just like in integers, every rational number also can be represented on the number line. So here also left of 0 will be negative rational numbers and right of 0 we represent positive rational numbers. So here one question is given. For example, represent these numbers on the number line. Here positive and negative all are there. So here in between 0 if you write, left of 0 negative rational numbers, right of 0 positive rational numbers. So here since the denominator is 3, for all the rational numbers the denominator is 3. So we can write like minus 1 by 3, minus 2 by 3, minus 3 by 3, minus 4 by 3, minus 5 by 3, minus 6 by 3, minus 7 by 3, and here plus 1 by 3, 2 by 3, 3 by 3, 4 by 3, 5 by 3, etc. Since on the same on both the sides this number line can be extended. Okay. Now here plus 2 by 3, minus 5 by 3, 0, minus 7 by 3, plus 4 by 3. So these are the numbers you have to represent on the number line. Okay, this is one example. One more example, represent minus 3 by 4, 1 by 2, 5 by 4, minus 1 by 4 on the same number line. If it is given like that, once you have to observe the rational numbers. Are they having the same denominator or not? If they are not having the same denominator, then you have to make the denominators equal by writing equivalent rational numbers. So here minus 3 by 4, 5 by 4, minus 1 by 4 are with the same denominator 4, but 1 by 2 is having different denominator. So only this one if you convert to denominator 4, then we can represent all these rational numbers on the same number line. So 1 by 2, how can we write with the denominator 4? What we have to do? Into 2 into 2. So 2 by 4. So now all the rational numbers, whatever they gave in the question, are with the same denominator. So now we can represent on the same number line. So 0, minus 1 by 4, minus 2 by 4, minus 3 by 4, minus 4 by 5. Minus 4 by 4 is nothing but minus 1 actually. Okay, so 0 to minus 1, that particular interval is divided into 4 parts since the denominator is 4. Now here 1 by 4, 2 by 4, 3 by 4, 4 by 4. 4 by 4 is nothing but 1. Okay, so now let us represent minus 3 by 4 and 1 by 2. 1 by 2 already we converted. What is that? 2 by 4. 5 by 4. So here it comes 5 by 4 after 1. Okay. Since it is improper fractions or improper rational numbers are greater than 1. 5 by 4. Next minus 1 by 4. Okay. In this way we can represent on the same number line if they are of the same denominator. Now one more example. These are mixed rational numbers. Just like mixed fractions, even here we can write. Okay. So 2 1 by 3 minus 1 1 by 3 you have to represent on the number line. In two ways we can do. So here as it is, that means how the mixed rational numbers are given, just like that, in that way only we can represent. Otherwise you can convert into improper and then you can represent on the number line. So first as it is, how they are given, like that only I want to do. So here 0, now 1, 2, 3, here minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Since the denominator is 3, we have to divide each interval into 3 equal parts. Okay. So now 2 1 by 3 means it is more than 2. It is in between 2 and 3. So now here this will be 2 1 by 3 and this is 2 2 by 3. 2 3 by 3 will not be there. Why? That is equal to 3 only. So here this interval 2 to 3 is divided into 3 equal parts. Since the denominator is 3, so after 2 the first part is 2 1 by 3, the second one is 2 2 by 3. So now what we have to represent? 2 1 by 3. Okay. Next, here minus 1 1 by 3 is in between minus 1 and minus 2. So this is after minus 1. We are moving in this way to the direction, into left side. Okay. In this direction we are moving. So this is minus 1 1 by 3. This is minus 1 2 by 3. Next one is minus 2 only. So what we have to represent? Minus 1 1 by 3. So immediate next to minus 1 left side, that is minus 1 1 by 3, and this is 2 1 by 3. Understood? So like this we can represent if mixed rational numbers are given, or else 2 1 by 3 you can convert, that is 7 by 3. Minus 1 1 by 3 also you can convert into improper rational form, that is 3 ones are 3, 3 plus 1 4, that is minus 4 by 3. Along with the negative sign you should not multiply, means 3 into minus 1 minus 3, that is wrong. In that way you should not convert. So minus, let it be like that, 1 1 by 3 you have to convert. So 3 ones are 3, 3 plus 1 4, so minus 4 by 3. Okay, so now we can represent on the number line 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, like that. Even here, so here what we have to represent? 7 by 3, this is 1 by 3, this is 2 by 3, 3 by 3, 4 by 3, 5 by 3, 6 by 3, 7 by 3 this is. And next minus 4 by 3, this is minus 1 by 3, minus 2 by 3, minus 3 by 3, minus 4 by 3. Okay, in this way, by converting into improper, we can represent on the number line. Any way you can do, both are correct ways. Next concept is standard form of the rational numbers. So here, in rational number is said to be in the standard form when the denominator is positive and numerator and denominator have no common factor other than 1. So it is almost similar to simplest form of the fraction concept. But here you have to consider the sign of the denominator also, that should be positive. Okay. So how to convert the given rational number into its standard form? Let us see with one example. So here, if I give 4 by minus 12. Okay. So now first you have to check, is it in standard form or not. It is not in standard form. Why? Denominator is not positive and they have the common factor also. Okay, 4 and 12, numerator and denominator, they have the common factor. So what is the common factor for 4 and 12? That is 4. So here 4 divided by 4 by minus 12 divided by 4, if you do 1 by minus 3 you will get. But even now it is not in standard form. Why? The denominator is not positive. So how to make the denominator positive? By shifting the sign of the denominator, this negative sign of the denominator, to numerator, we get minus 1 by 3. Isn't it? 1 by minus 3 is equal to minus 1 by 3 according to the equivalent rational numbers concept also. So this is the standard form of this rational number 4 by minus 12. If it is given, the standard form of this is minus 1 by 3. Now once we check, denominator is positive, the first condition is satisfied, and numerator and denominator, they do not have any common factor other than 1. So in this way we can convert the given rational number into its standard form. Okay. Point you have to remember now. Here 4 and 12, actually they have the common factor 2 also. So if you cancel 2, then once again you have to cancel. That means 4 by minus 12, if you want to cancel 2, that is also common factor. Then 2 and 6 you will get, that means 2 by minus 6. Then again you have to do cancellation. Then you will get 1 by minus 3, isn't it? So instead of doing like that in 2-3 steps, if you divide with the HCF, highest common factor, then within one step you will get the standard form with the HCF. Okay, highest common factor. So here the highest common factor for 4 and 12 is 4. Okay, that's why that is an easy way. to convert the given rational number to standard form. Hope you understood these concepts. Thank you.